Okay, material having an index of refraction of 1.3 is used as an anti-reflective coating on camera lens made of glass. Now, just a little digression here. When I went to my optician, he asked me, do you want some reflective coating? I said, no, I don't need that. And as you can see, it reflects this thing here. So I should get this, but I didn't. Again, material having an index of refraction of 1.3 is used as an anti-reflective coating on camera lens made of glass. Under A, what should be the minimum thickness of this film in order to minimize reflection of 500 nanometers light? Then under B, if a different material with index of refraction 1.62 is used for the coating, what minimum thickness should new film have to produce the same effect? And C, how the result in part A and B change if the camera is to be operated in water. And in water there was 1.33 index of refraction, and index for refraction of air is 1. Here what is important to know that this number here is larger than this. Okay, let us see solution under A. So this is the index of refraction of the coating, and this is the index of refraction of the glass. And index of refraction for the air is 1. As you can see, here is 1, here is 1.3, here is 1.5. So this is larger than this, and this is larger than this. So it looks like this. We write this because there is a phase shift here, because this number is larger than this, and there is a phase shift here, because this number is larger than this. And in that case, this is the condition for the destructive interference. When both phases change, there is just like they didn't change at all. So 2 times NC, that is 1.3, times D, D is thickness, times cosine of theta is equal to m minus 1/2 lambda. And that is for the destructive interference. That is what we need. And we need to find D. Okay, cosine of 90 is 1. So sine of 90 is 0. Just 1 second, just 1 second. I need to pause just 1 second. Yeah, that is not cosine of 90, that is cosine of very small angle. So what is this D times cosine of theta? That is optical difference, optical path difference between this ray and this ray. So that is distance this plus this. This is 1D cosine of theta, this is other D sine cosine of theta, and that makes 2D cosine of theta. And that is the path difference. And if path difference is under this condition, you have destructive interference, first, second, third, and whatnot. And we take for the first destructive interference to be, here is 1, and in that case this is 1/2, and from this equation D is 96.15 nanometers. And that is solution under A. There is written solution under B and C, so you could do it from here, you could do it yourself, or for complete little answer, please follow the link in the description. If you want more of this, please subscribe and tell your friends. Thank you. Bye.